Welcome to today's video about 8 foods that can help heal nerve damage. Are you experiencing tingling, numbness, or pain in your hands or feet? It could be a sign of nerve damage, a condition that affects millions of people worldwide. In this video, we'll explore the top 8 foods that can help heal nerve damage and provide essential information about this condition. But first, let's understand what nerve damage is and how it is caused. Nerve damage occurs when the nerves that transmit messages from the brain and spinal cord to the rest of the body are damaged or destroyed. This can be caused by a variety of factors, including diabetes, infections, injuries, and exposure to toxins. If left untreated, nerve damage can lead to serious complications such as muscle weakness, paralysis, and loss of sensation. It can also affect your daily life, making it difficult to perform simple tasks like holding a pencil or walking. But don't worry, there are ways to heal nerve damage and alleviate symptoms. One of the most effective methods is through diet. Certain foods contain essential vitamins and nutrients that promote nerve health and can even help regenerate damaged nerves. In this video, we'll explore the top 8 foods that can help heal nerve damage, including leafy greens, berries, turmeric, and more. We'll explain the science behind each food and how they can benefit your nerve health. So, sit back and get ready to learn about the power of food in healing nerve damage. And remember, taking care of your nerve health is essential for maintaining a healthy and active life. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new content that we think you'll love. And if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up to let us know that you're finding it helpful or informative. Your support means a lot to us and helps us to continue creating content that you'll enjoy. With that said, let's jump into today's topic. Let's start the countdown with number 8. Dark leafy greens. Dark leafy greens are a powerhouse of nutrients that can offer many health benefits, including the ability to help heal nerve damage. These greens are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help protect the nervous system and support nerve regeneration. One recent study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that consuming dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens can reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the nervous system. These effects were attributed to the high levels of antioxidants like vitamin E and flavonoids found in these greens. Notes: another study published in the Journal of Neuroscience Research found that a compound called sulforaphane, which is abundant in dark leafy greens like broccoli and Brussels sprouts, can stimulate nerve regeneration and improve functional recovery after nerve damage. To reap the benefits of dark leafy greens, it's important to include them in your diet regularly. You can add them to salads, smoothies, or stir-fries, or simply sauté them with garlic and olive oil for a tasty side dish. Aim for at least 2 servings of dark leafy greens per day to support your nervous system and overall health. Next, number 7. Berries. Berries are one of the healthiest fruits available, and they offer many benefits, including the ability to help heal nerve damage. Berries are packed with antioxidants, which are essential for preventing and repairing damage to the nervous system. They also contain vitamins and minerals that help to support nerve health, such as vitamin C, vitamin K, and potassium. According to a study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry in 2020, blueberries have been found to help repair damaged neurons and improve cognitive function. The study found that the compounds in blueberries, called anthocyanins, can help to stimulate the growth of new neurons in the brain and repair damaged ones. Another study published in the Journal of Nutrition in 2019 found that strawberries can help to reduce inflammation in the nervous system and improve cognitive function. To get the most benefits from berries, it is best to eat them raw or lightly cooked. This is because cooking can destroy some of the nutrients and antioxidants. You can add berries to your breakfast cereal, smoothies, salads, or eat them as a snack. It's important to note that berries are a healthy addition to a balanced diet, but they should not be relied upon as a sole treatment for nerve damage or any other medical condition. Next, number 6. Avocado. Avocado is a delicious and healthy fruit that is packed with essential nutrients such as fiber, potassium, vitamin C, and healthy fats. But did you know that it can also help heal nerve damage? Recent scientific studies have shown that avocado is rich in certain antioxidants such as lutein, zeaxanthin, and beta-carotene, which have neuroprotective effects on nerve cells. In a study conducted in 2020, it was found that the intake of avocado oil can help improve nerve function and alleviate neuropathic pain in patients with diabetic neuropathy. Another study conducted in 2020, found that the high content of healthy fats in avocado can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the nervous system, thus promoting nerve regeneration and repair. So, how can we include avocado in our diet? There are many delicious ways to eat avocado. You can simply cut it in half, remove the pit, and eat it with a spoon. You can also slice it and add it to your salads, sandwiches, or smoothies. Another popular way to enjoy avocado is to make guacamole, a traditional Mexican dip made with mashed avocado, tomatoes, onions, and lime juice. Next, number 5. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice commonly used in Indian and Middle Eastern cooking, and it contains a powerful anti-inflammatory compound called curcumin. In addition to its use in cooking, turmeric has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat a variety of conditions, including nerve damage. Recent scientific studies have shown that turmeric can indeed be effective in helping to heal nerve damage. A study published in the journal Neural Regeneration Research in 2021 found that curcumin can help to reduce nerve damage caused by diabetes by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the nerves. Another study published in the journal Scientific Reports in 2022 found that curcumin can help to regenerate damaged nerve cells in the brain and spinal cord. So, how can you incorporate turmeric into your diet? One easy way is to add it to your cooking. Try adding turmeric to soups, stews, and curries for a delicious and healthy boost. You can also make turmeric tea by boiling water with turmeric and adding honey and lemon for taste. Next, number 4. Garlic. Garlic has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. It is a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent, which makes it effective in preventing and treating various health conditions, including nerve damage. Recent scientific studies have shown that garlic contains compounds like allicin and diallyl disulfide that have neuroprotective properties, which means they can protect the nerves from damage and even promote nerve regeneration. A study conducted in 2020 found that garlic extract could improve motor function and reduce nerve inflammation in rats with sciatic nerve injury. Another study in 2019 showed that garlic supplementation could prevent nerve damage caused by chemotherapy in cancer patients. To get the most benefit from garlic, it is best to eat it raw or lightly cooked. When garlic is cooked, it loses some of its beneficial compounds. One way to eat raw garlic is to chop or crush a clove and mix it with some honey or olive oil to make a spread for bread or crackers. You can also add chopped garlic to salads, soups, or stir-fries for some extra flavor and health benefits. Next, number 3. Eggs. Eggs are one of the most nutrient-dense foods available and can provide numerous health benefits. Did you know that eggs can also help with nerve damage? Recent studies have shown that consuming eggs can promote nerve regeneration and help heal nerve damage. A 2021 study published in the journal Nutrients found that the choline present in eggs can help improve nerve function and promote regeneration of damaged nerves. Choline is an essential nutrient that plays a vital role in the development and maintenance of healthy nerve cells. Another study published in the Journal of Neurochemistry in 2020 found that eggs can also help reduce inflammation in the brain and protect against neurodegenerative diseases. Inflammation is a key factor in nerve damage and neurodegeneration, and the anti-inflammatory properties of eggs can help prevent further damage. So, how can you eat eggs to maximize their health benefits? The best way is to eat them boiled or poached, as this method of cooking preserves most of the nutrients. Avoid frying eggs in unhealthy oils or adding excessive amounts of salt or other unhealthy toppings. Next, number 2. Moringa. Moringa, also known as the miracle tree, is a plant that's native to South Asia. It's been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine to treat a variety of ailments. Moringa is packed with nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's also rich in protein and fiber. Recent studies have shown that moringa may have a positive effect on nerve damage. In a study published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences in 2021, researchers found that moringa extract can help protect against nerve damage caused by oxidative stress. The study found that moringa extract reduced oxidative stress and improved nerve function in rats with nerve damage. Another study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food in 2020 found that moringa leaf extract can help improve nerve function and reduce inflammation in diabetic rats with nerve damage. So, how can you incorporate moringa into your diet? Moringa leaves can be eaten fresh or cooked and can be added to salads, soups, or stews. You can also take moringa supplements in the form of capsules or powders. Next, number 1. Black garlic. Black garlic is a type of fermented garlic that has been increasingly gaining popularity in recent years due to its various health benefits. One of its notable benefits is its potential in helping to heal nerve damage. Recent studies have shown that black garlic contains high levels of antioxidants, specifically S-allylcysteine, which have been found to help protect nerves from damage caused by oxidative stress. In a study published in the journal Molecules in 2020, researchers found that black garlic extract was able to improve nerve function and reduce oxidative stress in rates with induced nerve damage. Another study published in the journal Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine in 2021 found that black garlic extract was able to promote nerve regeneration and reduce inflammation in rats with sciatic nerve injury. To enjoy the benefits of black garlic, it can be eaten raw or cooked. It has a slightly sweet and smoky flavor that pairs well with various dishes. One popular way to eat it is by spreading it on toast or incorporating it into dips and sauces. It can also be used in marinades, dressings, and soups. We hope you found the information we provided helpful and informative. If you or someone you know is suffering from nerve damage, incorporating these foods into your diet can make a significant difference in improving symptoms and promoting nerve regeneration. Remember to always consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative and engaging videos on health and wellness. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We love hearing from our viewers and are always happy to provide more information or address any concerns. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.